Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to add table of contents in Google Docs. Table of contents help us to reach any part of our document just by one click. For example, I want to go to climate section, just click on it and click that link. As you see, I reached this section. In the following step, we learn how to add table of contents in Google Docs. For example, we have a document and we want make a table of contents. In first step, we need heading for each part that we want be in table of contents. So you must add title for any part and make that title to a heading. Now select that title and from normal text section on the top, click on it, choose the heading you want. For example, heading 1 for first one, and for others like first one, select that word from normal text, choose a heading for all part you want be in the table of contents. After heading, now we can make a table of contents in any part of our document. For example, in the top or in the middle or at the end. For example, in this video, I want make a table of contents at the end of my document. Now click on the end. From top menu, click on insert. At the end, find table of contents and choose one of these format. Doesn't matter which one you choose because in the following step we can change it. For example, I choose links. Now we have a table of contents and we can reach any part of our document just by one click. For example, I want go to human section, click on it and click that link. Also, if you have a new content, you can add in your table anytime you want. For example, we have a title for that part and make that title into a heading. Select that title from top normal text, click on it and choose a heading. After that, click on your table. From this section, refresh icon or right click on table with update table of contents, you can add that part. As you see, this part add to the table. Now you can add a title for your table and design based on your desire. Also, as mentioned before, we can change the format of our table in just by one click. Just click on that table. From three dot, click on more option or right click on the table and choose table of content option. Now, as you see, we have a two option in the right side. First one, formatting, click on it. You can change the format of table and see the result in your left side. I just click on dotted format, as you see, or plain text. And also with these two options, you can turn off show page number or enable. Also show tab leader, and you can change the tab leader format. Also, we have a heading levels. As you see, all heading sort by their number. We can put 0 and make them all in one line or any change you want. And also you can change the color of the heading or the size or the font based on your desire. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more video like this. Thanks for watching.